Hi guys, James from MeasureSquare here. Welcome to part 6 of our Product and Services Database tutorial in the Getting Started series for MeasureSquare 8. In this video, we will cover how to make an add-on item. In MeasureSquare 8, we have a special type of item called an add-on. This can be useful for, say, making a carpet pad or a heat weld rod. We're going to go ahead and make a heat weld rod in this example, but this add-on approach can just as easily be used an area type item, such as a carpet pad. To begin, we'll choose the type as linear. We'll go ahead and enter in the name as heat weld. Then we'll click OK. Just like before, we can choose our display color. Make sure we're being calculated here by the linear foot. The width isn't going to really apply here to us since this is going to be an add-on product. And now would be a good time to mention we have an add-on product methodology here. So if we ignore our pricing here and just focus on the essentials here for our heat weld, we can go here to our Is Add-on checkbox and make sure this is selected. This will allow us to take our heat weld rod and associate it to an area product like a sheet vinyl later. In this way, we can automatically estimate for our heat weld based off of the seam length of our area product. Let's go ahead and click Save. And now we've saved our heat weld rod here in our linear folder. And now we can go up and select a sheet vinyl from our vinyl folder. We'll go ahead and open up our sheet goods folder and we'll select this vinyl here to apply our weld rod to. So we'll left click on the product to expand it into the item info details, and then we're going to go ahead and click the green plus on the bottom right so that we can associate our weld rod with this product. You'll notice when we click the green plus, a new pop-up appears called the Set Add-on window. In this pop-up, we'll select our product, in this case, our heat weld, and then we can choose our add-on method. In this case, we'll choose seam length. But if we were working with, say, a flash cove labor charge, we could choose base perimeter. So again, for our heat weld, we'll make sure we have the add-on method of seam length selected, then we'll click Save. You'll see now we have our heat weld nested inside of the vinyl here. Let's go ahead and click Save on the vinyl information, and you'll see now we have a plus located to the left of our vinyl product. If we expand that out, we can see that our heat weld rod has been associated with that area product. In our next video, we will cover the each type item product setup. In the next video in our series, we will cover product type customizations.